In this question, they are asking us to label the vectors that correspond to the resistor, inductor, and capacitor. The vectors are provided in red here. We have the x and y axis shown in black. Now remember, this is a phasor diagram, so the whole contraption, these three arrows, is going to be rotating in the counterclockwise direction. Also remember that the voltage across the inductor is ahead of the voltage across the resistor by 90 degrees. And the voltage across the capacitor is behind the voltage across the resistor by 90 degrees. So, and according to this, the voltage across the inductor is ahead of the voltage across the capacitor by 180 degrees. That's what we have here, 180 degrees. And the one ahead is this one. So this is going to be my VL, and this is going to be my VC, and the one in between, my VR. Remember, these arrows represent the maximum values. The next question is, which element has the largest voltage across it at the instant shown? Remember, these are rotating in the counterclockwise direction, and they are shown for a particular instant. The voltage at that particular instant is the vertical component of the vector, or the y component of the vector. And in this case, the vertical component for VR is this, VRY. The vertical component of VL is this, VLY. And the vertical component of VC is this, VCY. Obviously, VRY is the largest, so the element that has the largest voltage across it at that instant is R, is the resistance. The next question is the voltage across the inductor increasing or decreasing? I'm going to change the color of the ink for this one. Let's go to red, or let's go to green. So as this is rotating in the counterclockwise direction, an instant later it's going to look like this. Now, this is the new position for VL. This is the new Y component of VL. Obviously, it's smaller than the initial component, so we see that the voltage across the inductor is decreasing. In this particular case, the voltage across the resistor looks like it is increasing, but the voltage across the capacitor is decreasing. Now, which element has the largest maximum voltage? Remember, the arrows that are shown, that are still in red here, are representative of the maximum voltage across each of the elements. So all what we have to do is look for the largest arrow. The largest arrow, obviously, here is the arrow across the inductor or VL. So the element is the inductor L.